Welcome back to the Einstein Game Show, and today we have a special guest, Emery Ostick.
Hi, Emery.
Hi, people. And today me and him are gonna be reading our top 10 highlights from Miss Kranau's class from 4th, 5th, and 6th.
Okay, my top 10, and this is in no order in particular.
Okay.
Using a calculator. Because I have because I like using a calculator.
Okay, well.
I'm actually using all my original math papers.
No, but you just started using a calculator, what, today?
Yeah.
Yesterday. Yeah, so, okay.
One of mine is going to the treasure trove because we get tickets every week for doing flashcards, SEC, everything like that, and we get to go to the treasure trove and spend them there. And we got to go to Todd's shop right next door and we had some hot chocolate
And cookies.
and cookies.
I saw dead animals.
My number 9 was like where we had like when we did like this holiday, we would have this word on the back like Thanksgiving. You would take up math words for that. I like doing that.
That's good.
My number 9 is the group therapy because you can actually talk to people individually and express your feelings without being judged.
My number 8 is when Miss Kranau got the math clock right there. I just like the math clock.
Oh, well, thanks. Right there. Okay. Sounds good.
My number 8 is the FCC in pods because it basically is going over the same thing, and the FCC will help you more than
Just with your facts, yeah.
Yeah, it helps you learn the facts and everything.
My number 7 was like when we did like when you grow up and take them and like the jobs that you would have
What's
in
yours?
like 20 years. Police officer.
Okay, we'll see.
Same as him.
Okay.
My number 7 is the cooking activity because everyone got along. I felt that day more than any other day we could have, and everyone was respectful, responsible, and safe.
My number 6 was the Kranau Cafe when we did that. I like that because we had to like do stuff with like decimals, like 10%, 20%,
Yeah, with
and
tips.
like we gave tips.
My number 6 is the raffles because she would have a bunch of stuff out that she spent her own money on. Then we got to bet on it.
My number 5 was sink or swim.
Oh, yeah.
Like I think like maybe right after review we would do sink or swim. Like I don't know anymore.
Yeah.
My number 5 is you because you helped us learn everything that we don't know about math.
Thank you.
My number 4 is group therapy.
Okay.
Because I just like talking about stuff. That's
Yeah. It's okay. Nope, we'll do that. We'll be doing that again.
My number 4 is the field trip because you gotta see and you gotta do the fishing and stuff like that, like the axe throwing or and we still hold the title for the most points for fishing.
Yeah, we're the champions this year again.
Yeah.
My number 3 is the mathematicians, and what was mine?
Mine was William Outred.
Yeah.
Yours was I don't remember.
And he had a shell.
Get away.
I can't. The Nautilus shell. He had something with the Nautilus shell. Look, I can't remember anymore.
I think yours was no. I don't remember what his was, but mine was also the mathematicians because we got to do people that were from the past and who helped us make stuff in the math world. And the person I did, William Outred, made the X multiplication sign and the simple rule or the
Ruler.
And yeah.
My number 2 is the outdoor expo. I like the fishing because I gotta go fishing before my mom.
That's what she said.
Yeah, and I got to throw some axes and do slingshots. Least favorite part was having sunscreen in my eyes basically the whole time.
Yeah, sorry.
I think my number 2 is I think the whole school whole school in general, honestly.
Good.
Because of everyone and how kind people are.
My number 1 is the cooking activity. I liked how the groups went along, and my group was me, Ashlyn, Claire. We did a Italian pasta. It was really good.
It was really good. Yes, yummy.
So back to your person about your mathematician. You did Fibonacci.
Oh,
Fibonacci.
Yeah.
He was the one that
Had under the shell.
yeah.
Okay.
My number 1 is. I'm trying to think. You can just come back to me. You can go do this.
Well, what comes below 1 is 0. So my number 0 is probably this classroom.
Okay.
If I have to come up with a -1, I will.
I asked him.
I think also the old classroom.
Okay.
And all the classmates and all my classmates in general. I really want to have a -1.
I don't know. Yeah, I think he's done. I think we stay at 0.
Do I have to come up with a -2? What, do I have to come up with a negative top 10 list? Top 10
Okay, so you want to wrap it up?
list.
Okay, so who's next on your show tomorrow?
I think the next time we're going to have Hunter Kirshner next.
Okay.